I notice being immersed in the field that we are very much in the hype bubble, and there's people that are exterior to not working in AI technology that don't understand the hype that is due to widespread media coverage about AI. It could be, cycle time, error rate, and I think that is progressing. What I did see that also interestingly contributes to that is that Google have just recently released another report about the state of generative AI. I read it yesterday. It was quite interesting because what it had communicated is that healthcare is actually becoming one of the leading industries for real life deployment of AI implementations. I also read that the Google CEO had recently communicated in a large conference that children should now think about the possibility that the infrastructure per se is actually going to replace jobs like software engineers.
The speed of change and the impact of this technology is far more greater than when we had internet, because internet was just a connector, right? So we're talking about a self-evolving, self-learning technology, has monumental human impact, but that also requires a lot of power, meaning capacity, power, electricity, power, meaning what we're feeding it to so that it can self-evolve.